Remnants of Hurricane Debbie devastated Southwest Steuben County 1 month ago. Woodhull was one of the towns affected by the floods of Debbie, as well as Fred back in 2021.
With Fred, we sustained tens of thousands of dollars in damage. But there are people in the community here that own homes that couldn't afford to fix their properties and had 5 families walk away from their homes, and that's just terrible.
Rick Andrews is the funeral director at H.P. Smith & Sons Funeral Home in downtown Woodhull. Flooding caused the loss of the building's flooring on the first floor.
Most of our services in the basement were destroyed again, our heat system, some of our air conditioning system.
It will be another month before both the HVAC and flooring is completely replaced. He feels fortunate he didn't lose everything. Local churches helped him host clients, and local students and community members got rid of water-damaged floors.
Clean up. Mud gets everywhere. It's a mess.
Steuben County Emergency Services Director Tim Marshall estimates that the flooding of Debbie caused $50 million worth of infrastructure damage to Steuben County. There's still plenty of work to be done before State Route 36, 248, and 417 can be completely reopened. County routes 14, 21, 31, and 129 still have heavy work to do. Many of these roads still have portions where there are single lanes of traffic. Marshall says at least 7 homes have been condemned, and Emergency Services is working with local human service agencies, then towns and homeowners for the next steps. So the goal is to get road work done by winter. There will still be steam work, bank stabilization, and rebuilding bridges, which will take years to complete. Sonia Ellison, Big Fox News, Southwest Steuben County.